Hi everyone, this is a tutorial for the assignment M2.5 Platform Audit, and the purpose of this assignment is to let you get some further exploration into different educational technology tools. It's just to kind of get in there and take a look around and see what you can learn. So what we'd like you to do for this assignment is you're going to be identifying three technology tools from the following list, and you can use any of these resources: the Mac App Store, Google Play, the Chrome Web Store, Office 365. Any of those particular places you're more than happy to use. Then what I'd like you to do is to open this document here, and it comes up as a Excel sheet, and right here you see an example of how to answer the questions, and it goes, you need to make sure you click over. It tells you like the student effort, benefit for teachers, and benefit for students, because we want it to benefit everyone. And then it also gives you a program ranking out of 9, or excuse me, out of 10. This one got a 9. And then it has different comments that you can add. So instead of having everybody download this information to this file and have it one document, what we're going to do is have you make a document and then submit that. So you need to go over here and hit File, Make Copy, and then you can either delete this copy portion and type your name in front, or else you can delete that and type your name in back. Either way is fine. Okay, and then from there, you're going to choose your favorite tool, which one you liked using the most, and you're going to create a 6-minute how-to screencast presentation of that particular app. And here's some things you might want to go hit through and discuss. And then further down in the assignment, it has some directions on how you get started and how you use the tool, and it also includes some help tutorials. And then you need to go ahead and upload your MP4 recording to the Canvas document. And we won't be doing any showcasing any videos in class, so don't be concerned about that. So I will be available Monday, May 27th at 5:30. If you have any questions, this is usually when we have class time. We won't be having class that night, so don't feel like you have to come. Just come because it will be additional office hours. So I'm looking forward to your videos. They're really kind of fun once you get started on them, and I can't wait to see what you guys come up with.